Does it seem like AI tools are making you work hard to get good results from them? It's almost as if you need to be a prompt whisperer or an AI prompt engineer to actually get what you're asking for. If the responses are not too long or too short, then they're generic, general, and quite frankly boring. They love using words like robust, comprehensive, navigate, delve. Who delves? No one delves. It's no secret that writing assistants fall short, especially when it comes to academic standards. Now, if you're a student, a teacher, or even a creator, then you have clicked on the right video. Allow me to introduce to you Textero AI, an all-in-one platform that does more than just generate essays. Textero can help you brainstorm ideas, conduct research, grade essays, check for plagiarism, and even summarize PDFs. So let's delve into Textero's comprehensive and robust tools and see why they are a game changer. You see what I did there? Okay, so first up, Textero's Research Assistant. What's unique about this tool is that it helps you do deep research without the hassle of digging through endless search results. Textero analyzes your topic, it finds verified academic sources, and even adds citations while you write. Plus, the assistant inspires your writing process by providing a structured outline and key talking points. So whether you're stuck in the brainstorming phase and you just can't get anything valuable out of it, or you need a credible source fast, Textero has you covered. Let's have a look at the AI essay writer. So writing essays can be quite overwhelming, especially if you're juggling research, drafting, and making sure everything sounds right. Textero is not just another run-of-the-mill AI essay writer that spits out generic text. Instead, it's like having a smart, research-savvy writing buddy that helps you every single step of the way. It digs into your topic, it finds reputable sources, and it helps you organize your thoughts into a clear outline, and even makes sure that you include proper citations, all while keeping your work original with plagiarism checks. So if you're stuck on where to start, or you even need fresh ideas, or you want to polish a bland draft, Textero supports you without replacing your own voice. Finally, Textero takes it a step further with its essay grader and checker service. So this feature actually lets you upload your draft, and Textero provides an in-depth evaluation of your essay. This highlights areas to improve. It also evaluates your grammar, it checks for plagiarism, and it ensures your content meets academic standards. This is especially useful for students who need that extra assurance before submitting their work, and it eliminates the guesswork. Textero isn't just your average essay generator. It's an academic assistant to help you with brainstorming, researching, writing, and even grading. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by writing essays, Textero is here to help you. If you're not yet convinced that Textero is the next level of essay writing, here are 3 more reasons to choose them. Unlike generic AI tools, Textero integrates credible sources into your content. From research to plagiarism checks, everything is done in one place. Textero adapts to your needs by allowing you to upload your own sources for personalized research. Now, don't wait any longer. Take your essay writing to the next level. Click the link in the description below to explore Textero's capabilities for free, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Until next time, peace.